I'm James Cutting. I'm Business Line Manager for Oil-Free Compressors and also the EMEA Nitrogen Generation Specialist for Gardner Denver Compare Group. I'm based in the UAE, which is our Middle Eastern headquarters. I'm responsible for 24 countries and I work 100% through my local exclusive partners in each of these countries. Ultima has been described as the single biggest leap in oil-free technology over the last 20 years. I think everybody is familiar with the twin screw oil-free concept, which is using a single motor and a mechanical gearbox to provide compressed air. Over the last 15 years, the oil-free market has increased rapidly as industry standards have increased. Especially in high-end applications such as your pharmaceutical, your food, beverage, automotive, and also especially now in the textiles industry. As the air jet looms are becoming more critical with the quality of air, the industry has now moved towards oil-free compressors. So Gardner Denver Compare, over the last 10 years, have invested an incredible amount of resource and funding into developing the next generation of compressed air compressors, and I'm pleased to say Ultima is the latest addition to our already exciting portfolio. Obviously we had some very strict design criteria on the Ultima product, and not just the Ultima, it's actually all of our oil-free compressors. The total cost of ownership is probably the single biggest concern with any customer. How much does it cost to install the machine? How much does it cost to actually run the machine? And also how much does it cost to maintain the machine? So we look at a total cost of ownership. And what we did is we looked at the best-in-class oil-free compressors on the market today. And we benchmarked that. So we had a benchmark on what was existing on the market today, and obviously with Ultima we had to exceed that. So we looked at energy efficiency. We looked at how can we increase, the performance of specific power per cubic meter from maybe 1% to 2% up to double digits. So we on many of our flow, these are variable speed machines. So in many of the flow and pressure bands, we are better than 10%, 12% against our closest competitor. And we will not stop there. This is the start of us. We will take this saving now and we will increase that in the future. We already have development programs underway because we believe, the traditional screw compressor has not changed in 20 years. We have set the baseline now for performance, and we will continue to raise that bar. The main factor again was markets, the actual customer markets. They were asking for a product which was better than what's already on the market today. We have the twin screw compressor. We have the Dryclon or the D-Series, which is using a single motor, single drive shaft into a mechanical gearbox, which then controls the speed of your first stage and second stage air ends. The problem is when you have a mechanical link between stage 1 and 2, you cannot ensure optimum efficiency on both stages. Maybe when stage 1 is operating at its maximum efficiency point, stage 2 is actually operating way out of that. So what we did is we looked at how can we control both speeds of stage 1 and stage 2 independently, and the only way you can do that is to remove the mechanical link, which is the mechanical gearbox, and that is what we've done with Ultima. You see, as I said during my seminar today, many of our customers, many of our business comes from existing customers. So trust is fundamental. If a customer had a bad experience, then they will often choose to move away from that supplier. So, supplying the compressor or supplying the system is only the first part of the relationship. You know, we will always continue to grow our relationship with our customers to ensure they are getting optimum performance, but also they are getting the highest level of local support. Often the work starts not when you're specifying a system, it actually starts when the system is installed. Pakistan market right now is one of the most exciting markets that we operate in. As I said earlier, we have our local teams in place on the ground here. We have our local sales guys, our sales engineers, our service technicians, and also we have a regional team based in the UAE. And I'm pleased to say, at any given week throughout the year, there is a corporate member of my team in Pakistan. Historically, Pakistan has always been in the top 5 of our markets within the Middle East. Okay, I'm pleased to say right now that the Pakistan market will be, I believe, at the end of this year, either number 1 or number 2.